Hello, girl. Hello. Hello. Where you running? Where you running? Where do you think you're running? You are stuck with me. You are stuck with me. Forever. Work at the hospital until you find out what's really happening. So, is it a horror game? Is that a horror game? This is the only thing that I'm trying to figure out. Done. Yo, are we cats? Can I see myself? Can I see myself? Wait, hello? Coffee? You want some coffee? I'm J Clouds. I'm high. Hello, I never played this game. We got a pistol. Okay, let me know. What do we do? What do we do? I'll just follow you. Gotta take some plus. Alright, I'll just take everything. I can take those. Oh my god. Trash item? Alright, bro. I just follow her, bro. I genuinely don't know what to do here. Yeah, she's gonna do everything for me. What the heck? You're ugly, you're ugly, green. Wait, that Loki feels like Among Us for some reason. It genuinely feels like Among Us. I know I'm not tripping, right? Wait, where did she go? Where did she go? Why is she leaving me alone? Hello? Ouch. Ouch. Your health is important to us. Stay healthy, stay safe. What does it do? What does it do? Analyzed? Stomachache. Oh, I think I have this. Oh my god, I think I just killed him. Oh my god, I just killed him. No way. Oh, he needed this one. Oh, I get it now. I get it. Do we just need to get new patients? Is that what we're doing? Registered. What's that? Oh, wait. That's a new client, right? Room 2. Okay, I'm learning. Are the myths real? What myths, bro? What you talking about? I'm new here, bro. I don't know what's happening. Are you gonna go to room 2? Nope. Yes. Hello, sir. What can I get you for today? Sir. Alright. Let me try. Can I get other patients or not? What is that? Oh, the skibidi camera. Can I get new patients or not? Seems like not. Oh, okay. I gotta do the patients first. Yo, what's happening? Who's this? The doctor. Am I not the doctor? Sorry? I'm sorry? Why you stealing my job? Why you stealing my job, bro? You must be the new hire? Yeah, bro, I am the new hire. So that's your place, doctor? If things get strange, just keep working. Alright, boss. I'll fix up the shutters and security camera for you. Alright. Whatever you say. Shift report? How do you even report? Oh, okay. It's automatic. Poor? Shoo. I think I just killed someone, so no wonder the performance is poor. Okay, now what? Shift 1? Okay, I think we need to just wait here, right? Who's this? I don't think that's a normal patient, chat. Okay, sup, I'm Tony, Choi. Yeah, what's up, bro? You got an appointment? You sure? Let me see, bro. Alright, I see you, bro. You looking good, though. You're looking good, I'm not gonna lie. Now what? Registered? Check-in patients. Sai still waiting? Bro, I don't care. Go back home. If you don't want to wait, go back home, bro. Go back home. Okay, let's go. Oh my... Okay, that actually kind of scared me, bro. I was not expecting it. Oh my god. Where are we going, bro? Where are we going? I'm just following the patients, bro. I should be the doctor. Hello. Come on, let's go, man. Ouch. Now what? So what? Bleeding, Canadian. What do you mean Canadian? Bro, it's from Canada or what? Okay, she just did that. Good girl. Oh my god. So now he should go home, right? We just gave bro all the medicine that was needed. Oosh, 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 oosh. Best doctor ever. Hands down. Thank you. Even though I didn't do anything. She did everything for you. Where are you going? Yo, you cannot go, bro. If I say you cannot go, you cannot go. Stop, stop, stop.
I said stop. You need to stop and follow my commands, okay?
Man, go ahead, bro.
I'm getting tired of waiting. Can you speed it up a bit? Is this going to take long? I hope you're not new at this.
Man, just get back home, bro. Go back home. Why do you have horns?
Hello, hello. Yo, hello, I'm speaking to you. Are you here? Maybe your ears don't work, right? Hello. Never mind, bro.
Let me get you. Let me get you. Oh my god, why bro looking like this? It's like when you take the passport photo. They do you dirty as hell. Alright, G. What? I think bro just died.
Yeah, I think Bird just died, bro. Visitor fainted? Can I give you this? Is that okay?
Yo, actually, yo, I might be a goat. I might be goated. Yo, don't worry, bro. Just take a rest. Take a rest. You okay? Hello? Alright, let me check you. What do you need, bro?
What do you need, Mr. Miss Mika Wolfs?
Mika Wolves? Shoe. Rash. What? Ointment. The white stuff. This. Also, where is the doctress? Like, where is my colleague? Where did she go? She might have left, bro. Why is she leaving me alone? Yo, is she actually gone? No way she actually gone, bro. How dare she leave me like this? Like, oh my god. Why am I lonely, right? Why am I alone in this hospital? What you need?
Best doctor ever.
Yo, you're welcome, bro. You were about to die. I saved your life, bro. You should give me 10 bands right now.
Alright, let me get you real quick, bro. I don't have time for this. We're gonna do it fast, okay?
I'm a professional doctor. This is definitely not my first time, so let's go. I will be in room 1. Good girl or boy, I don't know. Maybe non-gender. I don't know. Okay, come on, speed it up. Are you sick or not? Oh my god, whiteboard just farted.
What the hell?
A slime? Why bro drop a slime? Alright, come on. Let's get you, man. Let's get you. Ouch. No worry. You don't need to be ouch. You will be fine soon. You need water? Eye drops? Can you even see me, bro? Hello, can you see me? I think you see me, bro. Like, watch those big eyes. Big eyes, bro. Oh, dried eyes. Oh, you have dried eyes. It's fine. You're gonna be okay. Trust me. You're gonna be very, very okay.
You're gonna be okay, okay?
I'm opening new facility for you.
What you mean? The supplies shop will be open for a limited time each shift. Oh my god, bro. I suspect we're gonna have a jump scare. Shift report. Excellent. Let's go, man. Let's go. First time being so good. WenSoz, best WenSoz. Yeah, bro, I'm the best because I'm alone, bro. There is no other people in this server. Like, why she leave me alone? Yo, what's up?
Yeah. Okay, let me just get you. Are you okay?
Bro, those photos are so goofy. Every photo is so goofy. Yo, so let's go. You okay? I will be in room 4. All right. Let me check on these people, bro. This white person has been here for a while. Bro, why are you skipping the line, bro? Come on, dude. Why are you skipping the line? Like, there's 2 people waiting. Like, what are you doing? You're just rude. Also, let's just get this dude. Wasn't the dude the patient saying that was coming in the first room?
You aren't holding any coffee. Do I need coffee? Where do I get coffee?
Sorry. Like what? Where do I even get coffee? Staff only? Maybe here? Hello? This is no coffee. This is no coffee. Coffee? Bro, I don't think I have any coffee. Maybe the dude was just trolling me. Oh, here we go. The patient that was looking for her. I think bro was about to die. What do you need? What do you need? What can I get you, sir, for today? What can I get you? What can I get you? Headache,
Rash, dried eyes.
yo. Oh my god, okay. You are needy one, huh? You're a very needy one. Let me throw this, let me throw this. He said dried eyes. Dried eyes and then this. Yeah, should be good. Yeah. I have good memory. I have the memory of a doctor. Hello? Okay, should be good. Just go home. Okay, just go home. Please just go home. Why are you taking so long? I'm gonna tickle your toes. I'm gonna tickle your toes. Tickle, tickle. Let's go home. 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 Let me hold your hand. Okay, don't cry. Don't cry. We're almost there. We almost there. Okay, finally. We made it. We made it, dude. We made it. Come on, dude. Come on. Okay, I think this game is gonna take so long. Oh my god. I'm seeing that I have 58% sanity. And we only in shift number 3. I just know this is gonna take a while. Holy. And I gotta yap for that long. Oh my god. Hello, my name is Waiter Button. I'm here for my appointment. Alright, let's see, bro. What do you want? What do you want? Oh, you're cute, bro. You're cute. Let's go. I got room 6. Alright, let's go. Okay, first time being in room 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6. The 6, 7 epidemic. Oh my god, bro. Oh my. What? Wait, what? Wait, what happened? Copy the sequence? Green, blue, red, red. Green, blue, red, red. Yay. Completed? Are we good? Oh, yeah, the computer and stuff. Yo. What is that, dude? Oh my god, bro. Cough syrup and maple syrup. Cough syrup and maple syrup. Alright, come on. I got you. Yo, it's taking so long, dude. You good, bro? Yo, I think you're good, bro. You can go.
What you saying about me? What you say about me? Wait, what?
Yeah, I don't know, bro. Just go, man. Just go. Run fast. Alright, let me just get the next client. This one is sus. Holy. This is sus. Eee. Okay, I don't think this is same, bro. I think I'm going insane. Let's go. You good? Oh yeah, let's check in. Let's go, dude. I will be in room A. Alright. Bro got a fag yacht. Bro got an additional ball yacht. You good? Oh my god. This is so much aura though. The green bean. 45 KO? Okay, how do I... Okay, we got it here, bro. Come on. Surgery. Okay, I got you, bro. You will not die today. Since I'm your doctor, I'm the best doctor in this facility, okay? I'm gonna save you, dude. I'm gonna save you. Oh my god, I'm gonna save you. Don't die. Oh my god. Okay. About to panic, bro. Get this. Oh, oh shoot. What happened? Oh my god. I just killed the. No. I just killed someone. No way. Well, that's my second victim. Okay. Let me see, bro. Let me see you. Okay, sir, let's go. Thanks. I will be in room 7. Why are they all starting to have this weird face with those huge teeth? Cardio? We doing cardio? We doing cardio at my home? Alright, what do you need? Oh yes. Okay. Oh my god, if I click, he dies? If I click the wrong one, he dies or what? No way. Well, I'm a pro, so there's 0 chance that he dies, right? Like the last one. Let me just close the curtains. I don't want to see you. The hydration. Okay. Where do I get him? He needs this. And I guess eye drops. What does bro need? Okay, I already have. Alright, bro, you should be good. Oh! Yo! Bro! Oh, I need to get off? Oh my god, I just died. GG, bro. GG, bro. Freak you! Freak you!
Freak you. If you don't subscribe, I will catch you at home.
So, subscribe.